Do you earn money?
Yes, I earn well.
Is that your wallet?
Yes, my brown wallet.
Do you save money?
Yes, every single month.
Is saving important always?
Yes, extremely important indeed.
How much you save?
About 20% monthly.
Is that a lot?
Yes, quite a lot.
Do you have budget?
Yes, careful monthly budget.
Is budgeting hard sometimes?
A little, but manageable.
Do you spend wisely?
Yes, I try to.
What do you buy?
Food and basic needs.
Do you buy luxuries?
Rarely, only special occasions.
Is that smart thinking?
Yes, very smart indeed.
Do you have savings?
Yes, small savings account.
Is that account growing?
Yes, slowly but surely.
What is your goal?
Buying my own house.
Is that big goal?
Yes, very big goal.
When will you achieve?
Maybe 5 years' time.
Is 5 years realistic?
Yes, with good planning.
Do you invest money?
Yes, small amount monthly.
What do you invest?
Stocks and some funds.
Is investing risky sometimes?
Yes, but worth it.
Do you understand investing?
Yes, learning more daily.
Where do you learn?
Videos and simple books.
Is that helpful learning?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you earn enough?
Yes, enough for now.
Is that good enough?
Yes, satisfied for now.
Do you want more?
Yes, always want more.
What would more help?
Buying house and traveling?
Do you want travel?
Yes, my biggest dream.
Which country you want?
Japan is my dream.
Is Japan expensive place?
Yes, quite expensive there.
Are you saving now?
Yes, saving every month.
How much save now?
About $2,000.
Is that good progress?
Yes, very good progress.
Do you track spending?
Yes, use simple app.
Is the app helpful?
Yes, very helpful tool.
Which app you use?
Simple budget tracking app.
Does it show categories?
Yes, food, travel, savings.
Is that organized well?
Yes, very well organized.
Do you avoid debt?
Yes, always avoid debt.
Is debt dangerous sometimes?
Yes, can be dangerous.
Do you use cards?
Sometimes, but pay quickly.
Is that smart habit?
Yes, very smart habit.
Do you have fund?
Yes, small emergency fund.
Is emergency fund important?
Yes, extremely important always.
How much is enough?
About 3 months' salary?
Is that good rule?
Yes, very good rule.
Do you give advice?
Yes, with close friends.
Does family discuss money?
Yes, openly at home.
Is that unusual, maybe?
A little, but healthy.
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes, yes, but manageable.
What helps with stress?
Planning and staying calm.
Is planning very helpful?
Yes, extremely helpful indeed.
Do you compare others?
Try not to, honestly.
Is comparison bad sometimes?
Yes, causes unnecessary stress.
What matters more now?
My own personal progress.
Is that healthy thinking?
Yes, very healthy indeed.
Do you earn more?
Yes, much more now.
How did that happen?
Promotion and extra work.
Is that hard work?
Yes, but very rewarding.
Do you feel proud?
Yes, extremely proud indeed.
Is pride important sometimes?
Yes, motivates me forward.
Do you help family?
Yes, every single month.
Is that important always?
Yes, most important thing.
Do you enjoy earning?
Yes, I really do.
What motivates you daily?
Family and future goals.
Is your goal clear?
Yes, very clear goal.
Do you write goals?
Yes, in my notebook.
Is writing goals helpful?
Yes, keeps me focused.
Do you review progress?
Yes, every single month.
Is monthly review useful?
Yes, very useful indeed.
Do you celebrate wins?
Yes, small celebrations always.
What counts as win?
Saving extra money monthly.
Is that motivating enough?
Yes, very motivating indeed.
Do you have mentor?
Yes, my older brother.
Does he give advice?
Yes, very good advice.
What advice he gave?
Save first, spend later.
Is that good advice?
Yes, excellent advice indeed.
Do you follow it?
Yes, every single month.
Is discipline hard sometimes?
Yes, but gets easier.
Does discipline pay off?
Yes, absolutely pays off.
Are you happy financially?
Yes, mostly happy now.
What would make happier?
Reaching my savings goal.
Is that goal close?
Getting closer every month.
Will you reach soon?
Yes, hopefully next year.
Are you feeling optimistic?
Yes, very optimistic indeed.
Do you trust process?
Yes, completely trusted.
Is patience important always?
Yes, extremely important indeed.
Do you feel secure?
Mostly, yes, getting better.
Is security important always?
Yes, very important indeed.
Do you plan retirement?
Yes, small pension fund.
Is retirement far away?
Yes, but planning early.
Is early planning smart?
Yes, very smart indeed.
Do you feel confident?
Yes, feeling more confident.
What gives you confidence?
Good habits and planning.
Are habits important always?
Yes, extremely important always.
Will you keep saving?
Yes, always keep saving.
Are you proud now?
Yes, very proud now.
Thanks for this chat.
Anytime. Great talking, friend.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.